Fabulous, Arjun. Alright, now get that big box and follow me. We are going to that bench with the table because there is something you and I are going to have to do.
Woohoo! What am I making? I'm so excited.
Well, hold your horses because you will have to guess it at the end. Before I begin, do we have the two boxes? Also, for this experiment,
Wow! What do you call this, Dad?
this is called a pinhole camera, Arjun.
A pinhole camera. What does it do?
Firstly, let's make one by ourselves and then we will see what it does. Okay?
Okay, Dad. I'm so ready.
So, listen to me carefully. I will tell you how to make the pinhole camera all by yourself. With the two cardboard boxes that we have, we will first have to make sure that one of them can slide into the other one perfectly with no gap. Do you understand me till here?
Yes, Dad. You may continue.
Alright, son. You will then cut open one side from each box and right after that, you will make a hole in the opposite side of the larger box. But that is not all. There are two more important steps that you will need to carry out now. Firstly, in the smaller box, you will cut out a square of sides around 5 to 6 cm in the middle and cover this opening with a tracing paper or any translucent material. Lastly, put the side with the tracing paper inside by sliding the smaller box inside the larger one through the hole. For better visibility, you will also use a black cloth to cover your head.
Oh, I see. This is really complicated, Dad. I'm raring to make one, Dad.
So tell me, son, look around. Is there anything you wish to see after you can make the camera?
I want to see those boats there, Dad.
That is quite the thing you've picked out. Go on and make it and discover how the pinhole camera functions.